Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome everyone. How are you? I hope that all is well and good. Hope that everybody is safe in a safe space. And guys, we got snow out here. Yes, this is the second band of snowfall coming through since yesterday. And today is Monday, February the 1st. Today, guys, I'm coming to you with a video on one of my future DIY projects. And today we're going to be doing the tulip, or not the tulip, but the trumpet vase. And if you want to see what that is and how I do that, then stay tuned and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, these are the supplies that we'll be using. I have the hot glue gun and the Gorilla hot glue sticks. We have E6000 glue. We have some diamond acrylic gems. We also have some decorative filler diamond gems, 2 spice trays or spice dishes, and 2 beer glasses. There is a proper name for these glasses. I don't know what it's called, but if you check out a young lady, her name is Raina Mo. That's the name of her YouTube channel. Check her out. I heard her say what the proper name is for these type of glasses, but I call them beer glasses. So guys, now that I have everything that I'm going to need for this, I'll probably need something else, but I'll add it in as we go along. But this is the basics of what I'm going to be needing today. And so let's get this show on the road. So the first thing you should always do is make sure your glassware is clean. These were pre-cleaned early on. And the next thing that you want to do is start constructing your vase. This will be going on the bottom. This goes on the top, but as you see, this glass will go right through that opening. So that's why we have the spice jars or the spice dishes, which will go, one will go on the top like this, and the other will be on the bottom. So that's the plan. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to glue these together. Alright guys, we're changing up with the adhesive. I'm going with the Fix-All adhesive. So I'll be applying the glue inside the rim of the glass. Alright, now I'll apply some hot glue for a quicker hold, like I said before. I'll turn the bowl over and do the same thing on the bottom. Fix-All glue and some hot glue. Which I probably should have used a leveler to make sure that it was going to be straight, because you don't want this to have a lopsided look. But we'll see how it looks when it all comes together. All right. Then next, what we'll do, we're going to put some Fix-All on the bottom of this glass, hot glue around it. This one will go on top, like so. Alright, that's not right. Waste. So guys, as you see, I'm having some difficulty here because I should have used a leveler. Taking this right on off. Ay, ay, ay. This right here got to come off too. So what now I'm going to do is add more Fix-All. I just want this to be thick at this point. This is damage control. In here. Whew. I got it, guys. Finally, I got it. Let's see. Yep. So now I'm going to put some Fix-All glue. And we're going to let this thing dry. And I will come back to this in an hour. We'll see. So this is it so far. I'm gonna let this dry for an hour. Where the glass meets, I will go back in and put some reinforced with the hot glue before I do the embellishments. So be back in an hour. All right, guys, I am back. It's well past an hour. And I believe, oh, I put glass gems inside to give this some, weight on top to help set the glue. So I'm going to glue the top part of this one first. So now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to glue these glass gems all the way around. So guys, for the sake of the video, instead of using the Fix-All glue to put the gems on, which will give it a permanent hold, I'm just going to use the hot glue just for the video. And what I'm doing here is creating a bit of a gap between the this next row here, because I would like to put these gems in between. These gems right here. These diamond gems. That will give it the extra blingy pow. So I'm going to put the diamond, the small diamond ones. I'm going to put these on next. Right there. I'm just going to put these on and randomly around and see what it looks like when I come back. Okay guys, right here, this is where I'm using a toothbrush to clean off the glue web. That works out pretty well. And here's a close-up. So far, it's looking pretty good. The diamonds in between make a difference with the sheen from the glass, or the sparkle from the glass gems. Yeah, looking good. So at this point, I will be applying and gluing the acrylic diamond gems at the top and the bottom of the design. And right here, I will be applying a 3-row band of the mosaic mirror tile. That will also be put on both ends or both sides of the design. I also decided to go ahead and finish the look by putting a single row of the adhesive mirror tile around the outer side of the trumpet, or the wide portion of the glass. And I put it on the inside also, just to, give it a more finished look, so that way you don't see the adhesive backing from the band of tile that's on the outside. And here is the result, guys. What do you think? I think it turned out beautiful. With the right lighting and the right atmosphere, this would be gorgeous as a centerpiece. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Very sparkly right here. So here it is, guys. So if you like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And share, guys. Maybe somebody else could do this and give it a twist, put their spin on it. Yeah. So this is basically a put my spin on it. The YouTuber I mentioned earlier, Raina Mo, she did this. And her design pattern was also mosaic, but she used the red gems. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next future DIY video. Bye-bye.